Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are sure that your computer or laptop will not be turned on by another person, and therefore you want to get rid of the PIN code and password, then this video is for you. Today I will show you how to quickly and easily disable the PIN code and password when entering Windows 11, and also I will show you how to restore the protection of your computer if you want to do it. And so, we press the button, Start. Then, the Settings. Click here, Accounts. Now, Sign-in Options. You need to disable this setting here. In this setting, we set the value, Never. Open the tab, PIN, Windows Hello, and now we delete the PIN, press, Remove. And press again, Remove. To confirm the transaction, you must enter your Microsoft account password. OK. The PIN has been removed and the settings window can be closed. Now we need to disable the password, and to do this, press on your keyboard, Win, and R, at the same time. In this window, write this word. OK. In this tab, you must uncheck the box for asking for a password. Click Apply. Enter your password to confirm the operation. Enter your password again. Click OK. OK. Let's restart our PC and see what we get. Yes, now I don't need to enter PIN. I hope you did it too. If you want to restore the input of the PIN code and password, for this you need to press on the keyboard, Windows, and R, at the same time. The code word is already here. OK. And in this window put the checkbox in place. Click Apply. OK. Now you need to open the settings. Click Start Settings. Click here, Accounts. Sign-in Options. Click the PIN tab. And click Add. Next. Enter your Microsoft account password. And create a new PIN. OK. Close the settings. Let's check our steps and restart your PC. Yes. Now my computer is protected again. I enter PIN and it works fine. I hope what I have just told you helped you, and if you found it useful, please share my video with anyone. Write me a comment, I will answer your questions and try to help you. Have a nice day, everyone.